Intelligence 1, welcome to Crash Course Biology. Today, we will be touching on an enzymes, substrates, and products lab. We will begin with a question. What is the effect of using a variety of temperature ranges on the overall reactions? This was explored in the lab where peroxidase, an enzyme coming from turnips, was used to see this reaction, the relationship that exists between structure and function of enzymes. Today I have the privilege of being at a lunch with 4 different biologists who are going to be talking and touching on parts.
I'm Dr. Graham Mounsey, MD. I'd be happy to answer any of your biology questions.
So first question, based on the graph and the overall slope of the line, what can you conclude about the effect of pH on the reaction?
The higher pH there is expected to be a slower reaction rate. This happens because the denaturalization of the enzyme begins to occur at a higher pH. The enzyme is most effective when it has a pH of 7, shown as circled on the scale below. The pH scale is used to measure how acidic or basic a water-based solution is.
Hi, I'm Dr. Hanseed.
What happens to turn up peroxidase after the reaction and during?
The activation energy is the lowest amount of energy the reaction must have in order to undergo a reaction. And it's lowered because of the presence of the peroxidase, which concludes a quicker reaction time, and following the reaction, the energy is not consumed. It is still present after the reaction.
Hi, I'm Bella Fleur and I'm an enzyme specialist.
Thank you, Bella. How would the data be different if you omitted parts of the reaction?
Well, if you took away the enzyme, the reaction would be too slow to observe. If there was no substrate, there wouldn't be a reaction. And without the indicator, guaiacol, you wouldn't be able to see the reaction because there would be a color change showing the oxygen release.
Look who just rose from the dead, and Selma Payen. She was the first to discover an enzyme in 1833, distaste. Today she's going to walk us through amylase, both salivary and
pancreatic. So as Charlotte said, there are 2 different types of amylase, salivary and pancreatic amylase. And what they do is their role is to break down carbohydrates in mechanical digestion. So salivary amylase secretes the enzyme in our mouths, and then pancreatic amylase secretes it in our pancreas.
And looking at how the activity of peroxidase in mammals compares to that of the activity of peroxidase in terns, there's a lot of differences that are able to see. First of all, the two have much different temperatures of regularity, which makes enzymes react differently to each of them. The enzyme would donate at different environmental conditions depending on whether it's from a turnip or a mammal. Lastly, as we looked at enzymes during this lab activity, we're going to talk about the enzyme lactase. It's used in the body to process lactose, which is commonly found within dairy products, and some people aren't able to digest lactose because they're missing that digestive enzyme of lactase. When this happens, it's common that people can lead to feel very sick from this because they're not able to process it. But there are ways to get around this, such as taking it medicinally through pill form. Thank you for watching Crash Course Biology. I hope that you learned a lot. If you have any questions, please feel free to rewind the video, and especially from our specialists that we had on the show today. Please click below to subscribe and